Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's going to help you boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for that dream vacation, pay off debt, or just improve your overall financial situation, these 7 strategies are sure to make a difference. So, let's dive in. Segment 1. Negotiate your salary. One of the most effective ways to increase your income is by negotiating your salary. When starting a new job or during performance reviews, don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. Research industry standards and be prepared to showcase your skills and accomplishments to justify the increase. Remember, confident negotiation can significantly impact your earnings. Segment 2. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky. Consider diversifying your earnings by exploring side hustles, freelance work, or investing in stocks or real estate. Diversification helps you create multiple income streams, providing stability and additional financial opportunities. Segment 3. Upgrade your skills. Continuous learning and skill development can lead to higher paying opportunities. Identify the skills in demand within your field and invest time in improving them. Whether it's through online courses, workshops, or certifications, upgrading your skills can make you more valuable to employers and clients alike. Segment 4. Start a passive income stream. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. There are various ways to generate passive income, such as creating an online course, writing an e-book, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. While it may require some upfront effort, the long-term benefits can be incredibly rewarding. Segment 5. Reduce expenses and save. Saving money is as important as increasing your income. Track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and create a budget. Redirect the money saved into investments or paying off debt, which ultimately increases your overall net worth. Segment 6. Network and build relationships. Building strong professional connections can open doors to new opportunities and higher paying jobs. Attend industry events, join online communities, and actively engage with others in your field. Remember, networking is not just about asking for favors but also about offering value to others. Segment 7. Invest in yourself. Last but not least, invest in yourself. Take care of your physical and mental health, maintain a positive mindset, and set achievable goals. Self-improvement will not only help you perform better in your current role but also lead to personal growth and increased income potential. So, there you have it, 7 proven ways to increase your income. Whether it's negotiating your salary, diversifying your income streams, or investing in yourself, each step can make a significant impact on your financial journey. Remember, increasing your income takes time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and personal development content. Also, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep striving for success.